Oh, there we are, and here we go. As you can see, I have copied the text into the Dreamweaver, and I have marked up the head and the heading right here, and also I have attached the style CSS file. But it turns out the resulting website, everything is dark color, and the text are not visible because of the dark color background. So I need to like change the background color. Let me go back to style. Yes, let me change the background color right here to F. F2 F2 FFF A. There we go. Let's see what will happen if I apply it to this color. Yeah, and don't bother. Don't feel weird. This is the Chinese edition. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Let's save the file, and then. Okay, there we go. It looks visible now, right? Yeah. As you can see, I have the resulting page is visible now, and I have separated the paragraph, and also make the heading bound with color, dark color. Yeah. Yep. Wow, it looks so cool. Don't you think?